Hi guys, this is MB Creations YouTube channel. My name is Malik Bonega. I brought you a Photoshop tutorial. Today video is new features in Adobe Photoshop Cc 2021. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be able to get notifications when I upload new videos. And also like and join with the MB Creations Facebook page. I have uploaded the link of MB Creations Facebook page in the description. Then let's see what the new features are in Adobe Photoshop CC 2021. I have opened the lion's image like this. Now I will go to select and go to select and mask. In here I will click select subject and wait few seconds. Now you can see lion was selected. Now I will click refine hair. Now you can see lion's hair was selected by Photoshop automatically very well. In here I will select selection and press OK. So now you can see lion was selected perfectly. So this is the great feature in Adobe Photoshop CC 2021. In this image, I will go to select and go to sky. Now you can see sky was selected automatically by Photoshop. This is also a great feature in Adobe Photoshop CC 2021. In this image, I will right click the layer 1 and select convert to smart object. Now I will press Ctrl plus T and right click and select distort, and now I will drag this top left corner like this and select this tick mark. This is also a great feature in Adobe Photoshop CC 2021. And if I want to remove this, I will go to layer 1 and right click and select reset transform. Now you can see edit was gone. In this image, I will go to filter and select neural filters and give a few seconds. In here I will turn on this skin smoothing. Now I will increase the blur value and see what will happen. In here you can turn off and turn on the preview of the edit. I will increase the blur value furthermore. And also I can increase the smoothness value also. I will increase the smoothness value furthermore. And also if if you want to save the output as a new layer, you can go to here and select new layer and press OK. Now you can see it was saved as a new layer. You can hide it and see the difference. Now I will create a new document. I will go to File and select New. Now I will press B to enable brush tool. Now I will draw a terrible art like this. Don't confuse with this terrible art. See what I am going to do. Now I will go to View and select Pattern Preview. In here I will press OK. Now you can see what was happened. Now I will zoom out and now I will draw again and see what will happen. Actually, another great feature in Adobe Photoshop Cc 2021. And now I will go to File and select Place Link, and from here I will select this car and I will adjust it as I want. And now I will go to View and go to Pattern Preview again. Now I will press the Alt key and drag this car like this. Pressing Alt key, we can create a copy of an image. Now I will zoom out and see what will happen. I will go to Edit and select Sky Replacement and give it few seconds. There are few sky presets here. When I am clicking these sky presets, sky in the image will be changed. I will do that and see what will happen. Now I will do this one. Like that, I will select other presets also and see what will happen. So these are some new features in Adobe Photoshop Cc 2021. I think this video was useful to you. So this is the end of this tutorial. So if my video is good, please put a like and comment, and also subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be able to get notifications when I upload new videos. And also like and join with the MB Creations Facebook page. I have uploaded the link of MB Creations Facebook page in the description. Then I will meet you in another tutorial. Good day, all of you.